Name of subject is EPL, and name of exercise is folding, unfolding a mat. After bringing this small sized mat with the help of the child and placing on उनके presentation area, you will have the child उनके sit on your left side. You will keep an eye contact with the child, and then in the beginning you will tell the child by pointing out this mat, this is a mat. So after that, you will tell the child, now I am going to show you how to unfold a mat. So keep an eye contact with the child. From its top corner, you will hold the top corner of the mat with the help of your right hand fingers, and the bottom corner with the help of your left hand fingers. Okay, after that, you are going to open it. After unfolding, you are going to lay out your both hands to remove the wrinkles. Okay, after removing wrinkles, you are going to unfold. So to unfold the next fold, you are going to put fingers again under it and thumbs are out. And you are bringing it towards you. From the opposite side towards you, you will bring it and you will lay out your both hands to remove the wrinkles. So after every unfold, you have to lay out your both hands on the surface of mat to remove the wrinkles. Okay, during the process, you will not pull the mat, you will not push the mat because it can divert the child's attention. Okay, so now you can tell the child, now I am going to show you how to fold a mat. So this time you are going to put your fingers above and thumb below. You will take it towards the opposite side. So first fold you will take from your side to opposite side. Again, you have to lay out your both hands. So you will make it possible that all corners should meet and all sides should be even. And there should be no any error in your work. Now you have to take the next fold, and that the child is on your left side. So you are again holding it, the top corner with your right hand and bottom corner with your left hand. And from right side towards the side of the child, you are taking the second fold. From right to left. Again, you will lay out your hands. Now you will hold it with the help of your left hand. You are going to hold like this. And you are going to move your right hand under the mat towards the right side. And now you will rotate the fingers of your left hand. Bring these under the mat. And now you are holding the mat on both your hands. So the weight of the mat will be distributed on your both hands. So after doing this, you will put it in front of the child. Slowly take out hands, place it here, invite the child. Would you like to repeat it? And the child will say yes. Then you will leave the child here to repeat the work.